Hunter. I have loved you since I was 17, and I think it's safe to say now, 11 years to the week since our very first date. So far, so very good. You came into my life during a time of great unsteadiness. A pair of dimples I just could not erase. There you were, so unapologetically interested in making my life happy and whole again. It was all at once I realized my fortune, that I held this person in front of me who saves my every waking day. Someone who fixes things, creates things, and believes in things with all of his heart. I will celebrate your every victory, for which I know there will be plenty, and love you all the more for your losses. It is an absolute privilege to become your wife, and I know after today we will look back and remember all the love surrounding us and this beautiful backdrop, but my absolute favorite memory will be that you chose me. I promise to choose you for all of our tomorrows as I do today.
Katherine, for 11 years, I've been blessed with your love, friendship, and undeniable beauty. I feel all of the compassion and joy you bring to everyone around you, and I know just how incredible of a person you are. I'm so proud to call you my wife and to have you as my partner for the rest of my life. From the moment we met, you took my breath away, and you always will. I promise to love you with adoration and respect, and to nourish your passions and dreams. I promise to remain loyal to you and to care for you physically and spiritually. I promise to help create a loving household and raise children with you as partners and equals. I love you and can't wait to start the next chapter with you as my wife.
Love is not always perfect, but when the right people are together, they will fight to make it work. Nothing in the world can tear them apart. These two people sitting next to me are the epitome of true love, and I can't wait to see what this next chapter brings in your life. I wish you the best and love you both.
When I tell people that my daughter is getting married, the first thing they ask is, do you like the fiance? I say, we love him. Why? They just say, you are lucky, and we are. Thank you for treating Katie with love and respect that she so richly deserves, and it is an honor to welcome you to our family. I have no question that your lives together will be rich with love and happiness. So thanks to both of you for being who you are.